Hi, welcome to this week's video. This week was pretty cozy. I got to foil and solder the flowers together, and it was really cold outside, so I was grateful to not have to do much grinding. Another day, more glass. I've got the calla lily all soldered together. Unfortunately, it's really dark outside today, so you can't fully see how pretty it is, but yeah, that's the first part done. And today, I'm soldering together the daffodil. There's just one small thing that I have to make adjustments to. This piece right here, let me just show you. So it's all foiled, ready to solder, and there's just this piece that needs to be modified just a bit, just to fit in perfectly. And then you can see these gaps, which aren't super ideal, and I might decide to modify like this piece right here. You can see it's slightly big. Yeah, I can like sit here and modify as much as I want, but really what it comes down to is solder covers a multitude of sins. So that one fits, but I think I'm gonna modify this one anyway. Maybe take that in a bit. Yeah, I'm gonna do it since everything's out anyway. Perfect. And here they are, my work. Daffodil and the lily. I'm very happy with how they came out. And I've got some patina ordered. I do like the black patina. I have the copper one, but when I've used it in the past, it hasn't been my favorite. So I'm gonna make 2 more panels with different flowers, and they're gonna make a candle holder, kind of like that, with interchangeable little panels. And that'll be next week. So if you want to see how that comes out, then you can follow this channel. But thanks for watching.